Today, we are going to make a 3D printed dancing figure. Once you are logged into Tinkercad, you are going to click the plus create and then 3D design. Once the work plane opens up, you are going to find the scribble feature on the right hand side, tap it, drag it, drop it into your workspace. In here, we are going to be drawing our 3D figure that is dancing. I am going to start by drawing a circle for the head and then a diagonal line for the torso, followed by bending lines for the legs and bending lines for the arms. If you do not like the way that you have drawn your lines, there is an eraser at the bottom and you can go back and erase. Now we need to widen our shapes. I'm going to start by filling in the circle, and then I'm going to very carefully, one line at a time, double the lines. I may want to triple the lines until I like the size that they are. We do not want to leave them thin or skinny. We want them to be a little bit wider, so that way when it 3D prints, we will have more space to design and decorate our dancing figure. That looks good. I'm going to continue this process for all of the different parts of my person, making sure to widen the arms, the legs, and the torso. Think about the proportions. Are your lines for your arms too short, too long? Is the size of your head too big or too small? Make adjustments to your drawing as you go. Make sure the feet look good. Take your time, and if you need to erase a spot and fix it, you can. Once you are happy with the way that your drawing looks, you can click the Done button in the bottom right-hand corner. That looks good. The last thing that I need to do is I can kind of spin it around with the little box and I can kind of look at it, but then I need to put my name on it. So up at the top, I'm going to delete what is written there. I want to get the keyboard, so I click Show Keyboard. There it goes. And now I am going to delete what is typed in there. Oh, I forgot to delete. Let me delete what it says. Now I'm going to type in my name and also a title for my project if I want to, or just put your name. Either way is fine. Once you are done typing in your name, you are going to click the Tinkercad logo on the top left-hand corner to save your work. So I'm going to put my name, I'm going to click save, and then I am all done for today.